how to log in Simplii Financial. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Simplii Financial account. In order to log in into your Simplii Financial account, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing is you need to open up a browser. You can either use your application. Either way, the procedures remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in www.simplii.com. Don't worry about the link. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So in order to log in, you need to make sure that you already have registered. When you type in simplii.com, it's going to take you to the official web page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, go ahead and select sign on from the top right hand side corner. And when you click on the sign on button, as you do that, it's gonna take you to the other field or a pop-up menu where you have to enter in your credential, that is your login information, and enter in the information and tap the sign on button. As you do that, you'll be notified that you've successfully logged into your account. However, for some reason, if you're unable to log in, then you can try resetting your password or the information and you'll be able to log in into your account. So that's how you can log in into your Simplii Financial account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.